My name is Iwan Pritchard. I'm the head teacher here at Ysgol Bro Edern. We're 11 to 18 comprehensive. We opened in 2012 with 71 pupils. We're now just over 900 pupils. Part of my role in ensuring that we're leading the change in the curriculum here at Bro Edern has been to facilitate that change and to empower the staff and the students and the stakeholders to look at the new curriculum as a challenge, but as a worthwhile challenge.
A couple of years ago we were all sent a questionnaire which was asking us our opinions to help us form the new curriculum, so it's really good to see that everybody had an involvement and that now is coming to fruition.
I think it will benefit both my children because there will be consistency in the education that the primary school children have, and it then means that when they do reach high school that they will all have had consistent knowledge and information given to them. And it's also a way of modernising what was there before, because education, like everything else, has to move on and modernise.
As we trial and are experimenting new things to do with the new curriculum in our schemes of work, I'm finding that it's having an effect on the learners. I think they're more engaged, seeing them develop, I think, skills further than they were previously. So I think that's an effective thing that's happening so far, and hopefully we continue to build on that as we build on the curriculum.
So what we did was get the whole curriculum for the school and set out everything that we had learnt from Key Stage 3 up to Key Stage 4, and actually looking back and being able to think, well, would future pupils actually find this useful, and actually is it relevant? So what we did then was give feedback to the teachers on the bits that we saw useful and what we think could be added to the curriculum and what we thought was missing.
By collaborating, we were able to share ideas, share concerns, which was important, and to discuss different issues, but come to a collective decision together, which brought strength to the process. We were also able to share resources and, very importantly, to share staff expertise. And as a consequence then, we were able to create a rich and relevant curriculum, especially for the children in our cluster, which was so important.